my guitars. Let's go build some junk. First, we need to place and route the control cavity, and we need to do, because the top is thicker than the back is on this one, we need to do our cable channel route on the top, on the underside of the top. That won't be hard because, I mean, you got really big targets to hit, so, but we need to place this first. We know where the pickups are going. This is from a template stack I have used many times. It's just perfect for, you know, a volume, tone, and a three-way. I like to be a little close at this end, so we need to put the top on so we know exactly where that edge is, because this is not the edge. I like this end to be fairly close so the jack can come in at about 45 and not interfere with the other controls. And then I kind of like to angle away from the edge. Yeah, we need to find out where the edge is. And I just sanded off those marks so I could get a better idea of how well our top actually fit. I'm getting real tired of putting this on and pulling it back off. Especially pulling it off. It's not fun to take off. Okay, we are actually pretty close. That will probably do nicely. That's just a guide. What we really need is the inner carve. Yeah, there we go. To the drill press. I hate routing a near inch of Wenge, but we gotta do what we gotta do. No way around it. Stinky shit. Well, that wasn't nerve-wracking or nothing. We had some tear out that took our little screw tab off. So I'm going to route it with this straight edge, and we will glue something in place to replace that. Preferably not Wenge. Something definitely not Wenge. Well, this is not the glue I had planned on waiting on drying. Stupid. Crisis averted. Now we can mark exactly where that cavity is. I just want to make sure that our cable channel just stays away from the bridge post. Now, I know where this pickup is. I know pretty much where that one is. And I mean, it's not exactly a high-tech approach to identifying those spots. Actually, probably make that more like there, and then roll into the calf. And bridge post will probably be in the neighborhood of right there. So probably would be more like this. Yeah. So partly because I'm stalling, but partly because, I mean, it really needs to happen. Before the top goes on, we might as well do our dressing. Because it's a lot easier when we, don't have body in the room over here. Well, I did a test fit, clamping dry run, and I think we're just ready to go. I believe it's time. Why did I have to use the end with a hole in it? Nothing to do now but wait. More of that's going to come away though, so see how that goes. I think I'm done for the day. Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.